Bro,
Yes.
Did I kill
did
you?
I kill you?
No, because I wasn't on the roof.
Where the hell
Where
were
the
you?
hell were you?
I was down at the bottom left. Also, you're talking over the in-game voice again.
I don't see how
I don't
that's a
see how
problem.
that's a problem.
Because I'm hearing you twice.
Alright, well I don't know how
Alright,
to
well, I
fix
don't
it.
know how to fix it.
Unbind in-game voice in the options. Oh shit! Alright then. You destroyed the other one.
Your character waits, your highness.
Is this... Does this still even work? It does.
Probably not.
It's...
Oh my god, look at this speed boat. It's charred remains.
I know. Can you reverse?
Negative. Oh!
Uh-oh, it's rolling on me.
Oh! Oh! Shit! Arma, what are you doing?
What did you do to Arma?
I don't know. Please tell me they can like edit that down to like 7
I can highlight it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's only one course of action for this.
Oh! Oh my god.
No, there's only... Oh!
That's all going to be one section.